Hey y'all, welcome to my little YouTube channel. Just want to make a quick video here to show a mod that I did on my 2019 Casita Spirit Deluxe travel trailer. Sorry I'm out here in the dark, so I'm having to film this with my headlamp on. Anyway, had to get a new AGM battery. Picked that up today. Been wanting to put in a battery disconnect switch in line between the battery and the converter. So if the camper is going to be sitting for an extended period of time, I can turn the disconnect switch in the off position, and that way we don't get any unnecessary drain from the couple things that may still be trying to run in there off the DC. So there wasn't really a whole lot of room inside here after I put the battery in. I actually had to remove the rack to get this battery in because the top post back in the back, the positive post, was actually touching the top. I didn't really like that, so I cut a couple of 2x4s down here to take place of the rack and give me a little extra headroom back there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but drop the battery down a little bit, but there's still just not enough space out here anywhere in this little battery compartment to put a disconnect switch. So I'm going to go inside and find a good place in there to install it. So we're on the inside now. This will be on the driver's side, underneath about where the bed's at. This is your battery box from the inside, hot water heater. This is your positive or your hot lead coming in. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. Comes in to a 40 amp breaker right here. Comes back out, runs down through here, and comes over to your converter. Sorry, I'm working in the dark out here. I started to cut the wire coming out of the 40 amp breaker over here, and possibly put the disconnect over here on this board or up here on this fiberglass, but I didn't really want to drill any holes in the fiberglass or necessarily the board. So I think what I'm going to do is cut this positive or hot lead here, and I'm going to mount the switch inside the door here. All right, y'all, got our switch installed. I took a couple of 2-inch wood screws and shot into these two holes here, fastened it to this little piece of wood that was already there. Got our switch good and solid there, so it's not moving around in there. Battery on, battery off. Pretty easy install. Took maybe 15-20 minutes, I guess, to do this. I ordered this off of Amazon. I'll try to put a link below. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.